7902 North Villa Court. My name is Alex Lloyd with Compass Real Estate, and I'm here to show you this beautiful new construction by Aspire Fine Homes here in Hilshire Village. So come on in. As you walk in the house, the first thing you'll notice are these double steel front doors. You'll also notice that it's a beautiful two-story entry and also these great block paneled walls. One of the great things about this house is that the master bedroom is upstairs, so you have this large closet here that can also serve as an elevator if one day you need to install one. Right across from the elevator capable closet, you have your powder room with a custom vanity. Off the entry, you'll also find these stairs with a handsome horizontal iron railing. And when you walk a little bit more this way, you also have great storage under the stairs here. It also makes for a great hiding spot for your kids. About this house is that you do have an office space, and it happens to be downstairs. It's light filled and it's overlooking the beautifully landscaped front yard. You also have this frosted glass door in case you need more privacy. This kitchen is every chef's dream. You've got this incredible Cambria quartz island with a waterfall edge. It also seats 5 people comfortably. And under the island, you actually have some more storage. In the kitchen, you have top-of-the-line Thermador appliances, from the dishwasher, the refrigerator and freezer. At the center of the kitchen, you'll find this great Thermador 6-burner gas range with a great 48-inch vent hood. Okay, one of my favorite rooms in the house is this hidden Butler's pantry. You'll have to come see it. This room is so great because you can kind of throw all of your mess back here while you have a dinner party. In here, you have plenty of storage. You have an extra sink. You have your refrigerator and an extra dishwasher. So this is great for entertaining and hiding all the stuff that you don't want your guests to see. So I really love the way that these 3 rooms blend together. You have the kitchen, the living room, and the dining area. They're all one big room together, and it really gives your family and friends a sense of belonging. If there's one thing I know that's important to a homeowner, it's having an abundance of natural light. Here at this home, you have these gorgeous 10-foot floor-to-ceiling windows that really bring the outside in. Welcome to the wet bar. I love the colors in this room, especially with this great under cabinet lighting that's hidden. And this is a great way to serve your guests because it's located right off the kitchen and the living room and also the dining room. You have a great amount of storage through here, and you also have a beverage fridge. At the top of the stairs, you have this large game room. You can use it as an exercise room, or you can also put a pool table in here for entertainment. Welcome to the oversized master bedroom. It has vaulted ceilings, large enough for a king-size bed, and it also has these great casement windows in case you have a beautiful spring day and want to open them up. This master bathroom is going to blow you away. It has 2 sink areas, plenty of storage, this great oversized soaking tub, and also a seamless glass shower with a bench. Not only do you have great storage here in the bathroom, but you also have this gorgeous closet with lots of hanging space.